elegance.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Rockcliffe Park is one of the most beautiful and historic neighborhoods in Ottawa, Ontario. Rockcliffe Park is known for its lush greenery, quiet streets, and stunning views of the Ottawa River. This neighborhood feels like a peaceful escape from the busy city, even though downtown Ottawa is just a short drive away. One of the highlights here is Rockcliffe Park itself, a large public park where you can take a relaxing walk, enjoy a picnic, or just soak in the natural beauty. It's a popular spot for locals and visitors alike, offering trails, open green spaces, and scenic lookouts over the river. Rockcliffe Park was originally developed as an exclusive residential neighborhood in the late 19th century. Many of the homes here are large, elegant, and surrounded by trees, giving the area its unique charm. In fact, it's one of the wealthiest neighborhoods in Canada. Rockcliffe Park is also home to the Rockcliffe Pavilion, a charming structure often used for weddings and events. Nearby, you'll find the historic McKay Lake, a tranquil spot that adds to the natural beauty of the area. Another notable landmark is the Rockcliffe Parkway, a scenic drive that offers breathtaking views of the Ottawa River. It's especially beautiful in the fall when the leaves turn vibrant shades of red and gold. This neighborhood is also home to some of Ottawa's most prestigious schools, including Ashbury College and Elmwood School, making it a popular choice for families. If you're visiting Ottawa, Rockcliffe Park is definitely worth exploring. It's a perfect mix of nature, history, and elegance that offers something for everyone.